I'll just show you how to remove a A-pillar. Grab a screwdriver. Okay. Here's a close-up of the A-pillar before it's even removed. There's a couple slots right there and right there. It looks like the middle one's out. This right here is a spring clip, and there's one on the opposite side to my right. So you're gonna push this in and then push the other one in, or you can use a flat tip. There we go. There we go. See? Now you can just kind of wiggle this out a little bit. There we go. Slow and steady. There we go. Good. Got it. So when you pry this back a little bit, you'll see these two clips right here. This, you'll squeezing them right now, flexing it. So once you do that, then you can pull this whole piece straight out. As you can see right here, I do not have side curtain backs. Now we're going to do the A-pillar on the driver's side. Might have to use a flat tip at first, just to kind of pry it backwards a little bit. Then you'll feel two, kind of like a spring hinge. You'll squeeze them together and then pull out. And this right here, you just squeeze these together and then you'll slowly pull this out. Make sure this cable is attached to the clip right there, not here. Okay. These are the clips. We're going to just line them up. This goes into here, and the other two clips will just snap on in. We're going to start by putting the lower side in first. Bend it in, push it down, and I'm going to line up the holes. Really push it down first to show you. Right here, now that it's pushed down, push that in, and you can see the black thing right there. So here's a nice helpful trick when putting the top part on. Take this part off by now we're going to squeeze this and pop that in. Now when you go to place this, you can just snap it in. Be a little hard to see, but you see the clip right there? Make sure before you pop it into place that it is all lined up. That clip and the other one on the bottom, which you can't see in the video. And then pop it in place. There we go. That's good. Very good. Let's fix this. Good. Excellent. So that's how you remove and install a new A-pillar. Very easy to do. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to take this off real quick. Now we're going to put it in the slot right here. Just go ahead and push it until it snaps in. There we go. In my case, the light harness connector is on the passenger side, so there's nothing here for me to connect. You can see the clips. You got 1, 2, 3 clips, and you can see the holes for it. Line up the lower side first into the holes. Okay, got it. Now here are the clips. 1, 2, 3. Very important, make sure these clips are actually lined up with the slots. You got one right there, one there, and the black thing is last. That will go right into that. lining up the two hinges, or the snap clips, into their spot. And then from there, once it looks good, put some downward pressure on here. I'm gonna pop it in. That's it. That was one snap. Okay. Now to smooth this part out. Okay, I just smoothed it out with my hand. And that's it though. That's how you install an A-pillar. Very easy to do. If you found this video to be helpful, please like and subscribe and check out some of my other helpful videos.